Born in Warsaw, Poland in 1867, Marie Curie emerged from humble beginnings to etch her name into the annals of scientific history. At a time when higher education for women was largely inaccessible, Curie defied societal norms and moved to Paris, enrolling at the Sorbonne. Her journey was fraught with hardships, from financial struggles to intense academic rigor, yet her passion for science never wavered. In 1903, alongside her husband Pierre Curie, Marie made a discovery that would forever change our understanding of the natural world: radioactivity. This groundbreaking work earned her the Nobel Prize in Physics, making her the first woman ever to receive this prestigious honor. But Curie's journey was far from over. After the tragic loss of Pierre in 1906, she persevered, continuing their research and further cementing her place in history. By 1911, Marie Curie had achieved another monumental feat: isolating radium and polonium, a discovery that garnered her a second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry. She remains the only person to have won Nobel Prizes in two different sciences, a testament to her relentless pursuit of knowledge. Curie's discoveries laid the foundation for the development of X-ray technology, revolutionizing medicine and saving countless lives. During World War I, she spearheaded the development of mobile X-ray units, bringing critical medical aid to soldiers on the battlefield. Beyond her scientific achievements, Marie Curie shattered glass ceilings, proving that women could excel in fields dominated by men. Despite facing relentless criticism and the life-threatening dangers of radiation exposure, which ultimately claimed her life in 1934, her legacy endures. Today, Marie Curie stands as a beacon of innovation, courage, and resilience. Her work continues to inspire advancements in medicine, physics, and chemistry, and she remains a powerful role model for generations of women in STEM. Through her life's work, Curie demonstrated that perseverance and passion can indeed change the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life of one of history's greatest trailblazers. If you're inspired to learn more about pioneers who broke barriers and shaped our world, don't forget to like and subscribe for more enlightening stories.